For some time now, ISPE and its affiliates and chapters have recognized the need to update the charter that establishes the framework for ISPE affiliates and chapters to operate. The charter essentially sets forth the conditions and business relationships for ISPE affiliates and chapters to operate under the ISPE brand, advancing ISPE's vision and mission and regional and local levels across the globe.
This included an in-depth survey conducted by a third party with expertise in association, organization, and management. These surveys, along with discussions with chapter and affiliate representatives, informed the new framework development. The International Board of Directors was aligned that we need to drive collaboration across all of us to achieve the mission and vision for ISPE globally.
One ISPE supports both of ISPE's strategic themes of leadership and engagement. Support through the Chapter and Affiliate Growth Fund will be available to provide highly relevant content to their membership. They will be able to expand outreach and engage more potential members and provide programming to assist in preparing the workforce of the future.
One ISPE will help the society and affiliates better understand each other's needs, facilitating open communication and defining clear goals to drive better results by working together.
For example, we are actively advancing models that provide incentives for local membership retention and growth. We are also advancing new approaches to the chapter and affiliate benefits model based on feedback we have received over the past years, and creating a financial growth fund that fairly enables all chapters and affiliates the opportunity to implement innovative concepts for the benefits of their local membership. And it advances the opportunity for ISPE International headquarters and the affiliates and chapters to achieve the vision of One ISPE.
We will be able to engage pharma professionals from emerging pharma regions and enable them to support establishment of additional new affiliates and chapters. We will be able to offer expanded access to COPs and women in pharma programming. The newly developed One ISPE operating model will better support ISPE's impact as a global organization and will enhance growth in underserved and pharma emerging areas of the globe. The One ISPE initiative brings us closer to having a truly global impact and to achieving part of the mission by enhancing industry efforts to develop, manufacture, and reliably deliver quality medicines to patients around the world.
A successful One ISPE project will, in the long term, allow ISPE to operate its worldwide business, achieve its vision and mission, and provide an operating framework that fosters global growth, enabling synergistic value between affiliates and chapters and ISPE headquarters.
So right now we need the support of all chapter and affiliate leadership for the One ISPE initiative. This will allow ISPE to achieve its vision and mission while providing an operating framework that fosters global growth, creating value between affiliates, chapters, and international ISPE. This is being done to enable all affiliates and chapters to grow and bring even more value to their local regions.
As a member of ISPE, I've recognized the value that ISPE has brought to me as an individual and the impact ISPE has had on setting many of the standards for our industry and the role that ISPE has played in shaping the future direction of both the pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical industry for the patients that we serve. Therefore, the One ISPE initiative is critical to being able to continue to deliver on our mission.
Most importantly, we will enable all affiliates and chapters to flourish and bring value to our local pharmaceutical communities within a backdrop of fiscal certainty. Our commitment is to you, the foundation of One ISPE. With your much needed support for these principles and participation in the project, we can further extend and connect pharmaceutical knowledge around the globe. And as ISPE members, we can continue to shape the future of the pharmaceutical industry.
Not one global solution can be solved locally. Therefore, if we are going to continue to have impact on patients' lives, we need your support to further connect and extend pharmaceutical knowledge around the world, and as ISPE and members continue to reimagine a better world together.